Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. And our journey today start from the north area on Raya Legian Street until to the south area. Okay, let me show you around here. Yeah, this is Raya Legian Street. Okay, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in Legian Bali today. At the front, if I turn right, there is the way to go to Kuta Bali. Yeah, we start from the north area until to the south area on Raya Legian Street. Wow, few trees. It's a group, big group from Australia. Okay, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in Legian Bali around the sunset time. It's just offering. This is kind of the premier temple. Okay, let's. Hello. Wow, 180.
180.
Wow, good. Very tall. That's good. Okay, let's go. Don't wait too long. Because too many bloody wanker here. Okay, let me show you how busy Legian Bali today. Wow. A lot of tourists over here. That's good. Quite busy, isn't it? This is Legian Bali during the sunset time. It's quite dark. Actually not cloudy because now it's already around sunset time. Maybe in 10 minutes will be sunset in Kuta Beach. Wow, it's quiet, isn't it? Why it's so quiet today? Any answer? Any reason? Let me know. Because as I know now it's a school holiday in Australia. But how come it's so quiet in Bali? What's happening for Bali now? Why so quiet? I was thinking during the school holiday will be really busy for Bali, but today you can't see together in this area. Just so quiet, you see, along the street. Even the traffic's empty. It's quiet, isn't it? GT from America. You see, the traffic is so empty. Hello. In here, the traffic is so empty, but over there. Hah? Okay, tadi dulu.
Halo.
Halo.
Mana?
House Ing. Yeah. For your tattoo, next your tattoo in Bali. House Ing. Don't forget. This is the artist from this tattoo. Wow. They you do like freehand when they draw in on your skin. They do very professional to do art thing, to do art on your skin. Wow. So empty. Why so empty? Kami dek.
Lumayan.
Wow, lumayan. I asked her, is it busy? She say, not bad. Yeah. Not really bad, isn't it? I mean, the traffic in here is always traffic, as usually. Let's across the street. Wow, loud music, loud music. I have to talk louder than the music now. They're just so loud. Woo. How come so empty on the street, on the sidewalk? No tourists in this area. Really sad. See, quiet, isn't it? Terapis. Right side. This is Momo's Legian Bali. Look, few trees over there, not bad. And this is Legian Paradiso. Next few days, my customer from India, they will stay in Kuta Paradiso. It's a driver for 1 week, so I will drop in for 1 week for them. Busy day. Wow, it's quiet, isn't it? Until here. It's just so quiet. What's happening? Empty sidewalk in Kuta Bali, in Legian Kuta Bali. Also empty. Wow, unbelievable. Wow, you see? Until there, it's empty. Really sad, isn't it? Wow, okay, again. Some loud music here. Let's move fast, so fast. Okay, Let's continue walking on Raya Legian Street at the empty footpath. Ooh, it's quiet. Really quiet. Exercise. See, empty, empty. Wow, yeah, really strange for me because along the sidewalk is empty. Wow, really bad, really sad. What's happening? Okay guys, so this is our new today in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. So what do you think? Just so quiet, isn't it? Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know that they're station at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. And don't forget to do bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woo, so quiet. You see, other side. I will make continue video. I was working from that side. Now in this side. Also empty, isn't it? Empty sidewalk in Legian Kuta Bali today. See. Only traffic jam, GT. Wow. Traffic jam but empty tourists. Why? What's happening? Okay, thank you and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.